Today, we will be showing you how to install the DC4000RA. When you unbox your DC4000RA, you will find two camera devices, a larger front camera with the attached 360 camera, and the smaller rear camera. There is a separate mounting bracket which will be used for the front camera. There will also be three cables, a power cable, the rear camera connection cable, and the PC USB cable. The convenience package includes your manual, windshield wipes, and drying cloth. To install the front camera, first slide the cable cover open and plug the power cable into the top slot, followed by the rear camera cable into the lower slot. Slide the cable cover shut and make sure it is securely closed. Plug the power cable into your vehicle and turn on the ignition. The camera should turn on, and you can now monitor the camera lens's views as you continue the installation. Then, find a suitable place on the windshield to mount the front camera. The main camera lens should be facing outward and the screen facing towards you. We recommend placing it in the top 20% of the windshield, just to the left or right of the rear view mirror. Make sure it does not interfere with your rear view mirror, sensors, or your field of view while driving. The camera should be mounted so that its lens is within the wiping range of the windshield wipers. Also, please follow the local and state laws. Once you have selected a proper location, use the included wipe to clean the area. Using the drying cloth, ensure the area is dry before attempting to mount the camera. Slide the camera onto the mounting bracket. Then, remove the backing of the double-sided mounting tape and securely mount the bracket with camera to the windshield. Make sure the rear view mirror does not block the view of the 360 camera. Before the camera is mounted, make sure it is in 360 mode. After the camera is mounted, you can adjust the bracket up or down to find the optimal angle. Then tighten the screw to keep the camera in place. You can also micro-adjust the front camera lens up, down, left, or right. Installation will vary depending on the type of vehicle you have. Feed the power cable under the headliner along the top of the windshield towards the A-pillar. Then behind the A-pillar to keep this cable out of your way. You may want to add a few zip ties to tie the power cable to other existing cables in your vehicle. Easily remove the rubber molding by hand. Feed the power cable behind it and reattach the rubber molding back in place. Here we are at the passenger side footwell running the cable behind the carpet lining. Next, take the rear camera connection cable and feed it to the back of your vehicle. On many vehicles, this cable can be placed under the headliner, floor mats, behind the door frame, or within interior paneling in order to hide it from view and keep it protected. Here we are at the passenger side B-pillar. And here we are installing the cable at the sliding door. And here we are installing the cable at the rear 3/4 panel. And finally, the rear hatch. Detach the rubber tube. You may need to use a cable snake to help pull the cable along if you have this tool available. Feed the cable through the rubber tube, then pull the cable out from the opening. Put the rubber tube back in place. You will likely have excess cable, which you can roll up and hide behind a panel or headliner. Finally, close all back panels. Plug the other end of the connection cable into the rear camera, then find a suitable place to mount it. We recommend a location in the top middle portion of the rear window. Remove the backing of the double-sided mounting tape and securely mount the camera to the window, ensuring that the line from the rear defroster falls in between the two sections of double-sided mounting tape. Otherwise, the heat from the rear defroster line under the double stick tape could affect its stickiness, causing the mounting bracket to fall off. Return to the front camera to check the view of the rear camera. Adjust the tilt of the rear bracket up or down until you have found the suitable angle. Then tighten the screw to keep the bracket in place. Your DC4000RA is now installed, ready to enjoy and give you peace of mind. For additional information about your DC4000RA installation and PC software, please refer to the included user manual or visit our website at razzo-usa.com/product/DC4000RA. To install the optional parking feature DC203A, please see your local auto shops.